Yes, children. In the previous lecture, I was talking to you about resonance effect, plus R and minus R effect. Okay. Now, plus R, I was explaining you using this vinyl chloride, how the pair of electron on chlorine, it is getting shifted towards the adjacent carbon, and simultaneously this is getting shifted. Okay. So here I was talking to you about those groups which donate electrons to the double bond or a conjugated system. Okay. Same way, those groups which withdraw electrons from the double bond or from a conjugated system towards themselves. So this is what you call it as plus R and minus R. Now I want to explain the same thing with reference to certain benzene compounds, how this plus R effect is shown. Now what is this? This is aniline. Okay, aniline is aminobenzene, and there is a lone pair of electron on nitrogen of the amine group. NH2 group is amine. Okay. Now what is happening here? This lone pair of electron is getting shifted towards the benzene ring. Now when it is getting shifted, it becomes a double bond between nitrogen and this carbon. Okay, it has become a double bond, right? Now when it becomes a double bond, what happens? This carbon will become pentavalent, and it is tetravalent, you know it. So what happens? One electron from this carbon, it is automatically getting shifted towards the adjacent carbon. Okay. Now look, this is the pair of electron. Now this pair of electron is shared between this carbon and this carbon. So when I am showing the shift of this electron pair towards this carbon, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन तो उनका अपना ही था, ठीक है. जब एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इस कार्बन का जब शिफ्ट होगा, यहाँ पे एक नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा, बिकॉज द इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ दिस कार्बन इज शिफ्टिंग टू दिस पोजिशन. सो दिस कार्बन विल नाउ एन एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो इट विल possess a negative charge. Okay, so this lone pair is becoming a double bond. The valency of carbon or the number of electrons around carbon increases. So one electron which is already existing will immediately shift towards the adjacent atom, and it becomes a negative charge. Now the thing here is, the concept here is that it doesn't stay in one place, it gets delocalized towards the next position. So it gets shifted towards the next position. See, hamesha yaad rakho, whenever I put a negative charge, that means there is one extra electron with that atom, and that electron, the extra electron, will be present along with its own electron. So whenever I shift a negative charge, I am shifting a pair of electron. Okay, I am shifting a pair of electron. एक लिया हुआ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, एक उसका अपना ही है, ठीक है. तो जब इस इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर शिफ्ट होता है, it becomes a double bond here. Then automatically this carbon will get more electrons. So automatically उसका जो उसका अपना जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो एडजेसेंट पोजीशन पे शिफ्ट होगा, ठीक है. अगर शिफ्ट हो गया तो उस पोजीशन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा. नाउ दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज हैज बिकम अ डबल बॉन्ड. ओके, एंड दिस डबल बॉन्ड हैज बिकम अ चार्ज. ओके, सो देयर इज delocalization, shifting from its position to another position, that is delocalization. Okay, then what happens? The negative charge that is created at this position will now shift towards the adjacent position. Again, remember, whenever you show a negative charge, it is a pair of electron. That pair of electron क्या है? एक अपना ही है, एक लिया हुआ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ठीक है. तो जब ये शिफ्ट होगा, automatically this pair of electron will shift towards the adjacent carbon. Okay, so that will become a negative charge, right? Okay, now what I want to tell you is, supposing I write any benzene ring, say for example I am putting this NH2 group. Okay, this is a benzene ring. Now the position adjacent to the principal functional group, this is the position that is holding the functional group. See, adjacent position on either side, these are called ortho positions. Okay, then the position that is opposite to the carbon holding the functional group, this is called as para position. Okay, and these two positions between ortho and para on either side, they are called meta positions. Okay, so with respect to the principal functional group, you can decide which is ortho, which is meta, which is para. आमने सामने पैरा है, adjacent ortho है, और ortho और para के बीच में meta है. Ortho और para के बीच में meta है. ठीक है? So ortho is 2 in number, meta is 2 in number, but para is just only 1 in number, right? Okay. So what you find here, नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ पे आ गया. अब नेगेटिव चार्ज फिर शिफ्ट होगा एंड द डबल बॉन्ड विच वॉज फॉर्म्ड हियर, यहाँ पे फॉर्म हुआ था ना, वो डबल बॉन्ड इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज की तरफ फिर चला जाएगा एंड इट विल न्यूट्रलाइज द पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन दिस नाइट्रोजन एंड इट विल गेट इट्स लोन पेयर बैक. It will get its lone pair back, and so the double bond will come here. Now you see how the double bond was there, 1 2 3. Now ऐसे करते करते देखो अब double bond इस तरफ आ गया, right? They are all equivalent structures. See, this is the sign of equivalence. Okay, all these are resonance structures and they are equivalent structures. Okay, now here what you find, when this delocalization of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen is happening, you find negative charge created at ortho and para positions. Ortho and para. Okay, ortho और para पे negative charge create हुआ. So negative charge create होने पे क्या होगा? Whenever an electrophile, see, an E plus is attacking. When an E plus, that is electrophile, is attacking, this is positively charged, so it will be attracted towards the negative centers of the benzene ring, is it not? This is positively charged, so it will automatically get attracted towards the negative centers. So this NH2 group which is present on the benzene ring, you call it as ortho-para directing group. That is, it will direct the incoming electrophile, which is E plus, towards ortho and para position. Okay, E plus को ये direct करेगा, तुम यहाँ पे जाओ या यहाँ पे जाओ, वहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज है, then you will get easily get attached. Is that clear? So this is what you call it as ortho-para directing groups, and this is what you call it as plus R effect, right? Now another example I have shown with phenol. Again, oxygen पे 2 lone pair of electrons है, one lone pair is shifting and this lone pair will now become a double bond. So after shifting, what happens? This oxygen will get a positive charge. Okay, this is a pair of electron. When it is getting shifted, this pair, okay, now एक इलेक्ट्रॉन अपने पास ही है और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन की कमी है जिसको आपने पॉजिटिव चार्ज की तरह डिनोट किया. ठीक है, now when this is shifting, then what will happen? This carbon will get 5 electrons. So automatically उसका अपना जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो एडजेसेंट कार्बन की तरफ शिफ्ट होगा, तो वो नेगेटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होगा. आई टोल्ड यू नेगेटिव चार्ज इज व्हाट? एक लिया हुआ इलेक्ट्रॉन, यहाँ से जो लिया हुआ इलेक्ट्रॉन, और एक अपना ही इलेक्ट्रॉन, बिकॉज दिस इज अ पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर्ड बिटवीन दीज 2 कार्बन एटम्स. सो व्हेन दिस बॉन्ड इज शिफ्टिंग, दिस इज द एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन of the adjacent carbon and this is the electron of this carbon itself. Is that clear? So this negative charge is always a pair of electron. Pair of electron में एक अपना है, एक लिया हुआ है. ठीक है, हमेशा याद रखो. Then what happens? This negative charge is shifting towards this adjacent position. Automatically this carbon will now get more electrons. So the electron of this carbon will shift towards the adjacent position. This is what you call it as delocalization. Okay. Now you may ask why this negative charge is shifting. This negative charge will shift because it is having an unsaturated system at the adjacent position. Okay. So this unsaturation is pulling the electron towards itself. That is why this negative charge is shifting to this side. Then here negative charge will be created. Now this negative charge will be shifting and the double bond will shift now towards the adjacent position. And that position it will get a negative charge, and this negative charge will again shift, give back the pair of electron to oxygen, so oxygen will get its lone pair of electron back. Okay. Now here also you find the negative charge is created at ortho and para positions. So OH group attached to the benzene ring is also ortho-para directing group towards electrophilic substitution. That is, when an electrophile is attacking, it will be attracted towards ortho and para position. Okay, so that's what I've written. Such groups, when present on the benzene ring, creates negative charge at ortho and para position by resonance, thus favoring electrophilic attack. Hence, such groups are called as ortho-para directing groups. Which group is called as ortho-para directing group? This amine group or OH group on the benzene ring, they are called as ortho-para directing groups. Okay, this is what you call it as directive influence, right? Now, this chlorine or OH, just now we saw both the things. Then any alkoxy group, OR is alkoxy group. Amine group also we saw. Okay, Cl we did not see. Amine we saw. Then any alkyl group attached to the benzene ring. All these groups, they are all ortho-para directing groups. Okay, they are all electron releasing with respect to benzene ring. Is that clear? So you may ask, chlorine तो electronegative है, वो तो electron withdrawing होना चाहिए. That we will see a little later, because here the minus I effect, that is electron withdrawing effect of chlorine, it is compensated by the resonance effect of the benzene ring that it is attached to. Okay, that is why it is like this. This we will see a little later. Now, if groups such as NO2 or cyanide or carboxylic acid or aldehyde, now any of these, any one, if it is attached to the benzene ring, then they are all called as meta-directing groups. That is, they will direct the incoming electrophile towards the meta position. Now I have told you what is meta, is it not? Ortho, meta, para kya hota hai? That I have already told you. Now let us discuss just one example. Now I have taken benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is a meta-directing group. Now what happens? This carbonyl group, this oxygen की वजह से वो अपनी तरफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को खींचता है. ठीक है, खींचने से क्या होगा? बेंजीन रिंग की जो डबल बॉन्ड है वो एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप की तरफ शिफ्ट हो रहा है. जब ये वाला बॉन्ड पेयर, दैट इज दिस इज अ पाई बॉन्ड पेयर, when this is shifting, automatically this bond will shift towards oxygen and oxygen will get satisfied. Okay, so what happens in the next step? You see, when this is shifting, then this electron, see I told you already, this is a pair of electron. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका अपना ही है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन एडजेसेंट कार्बन का है. जब शिफ्ट करोगे, यहां पे डबल बॉन्ड आ गया, तो जहां से आपने इलेक्ट्रॉन उठाया वहां पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा. ठीक है, और ये डबल बॉन्ड हो गया, एंड साइमल्टेनियसली दिस विल शिफ्ट बिकॉज दिस कार्बन विल बिकम पेंटावैलेंट देन. So to maintain tetravalency, this will automatically shift towards oxygen. So there will be a negative charge on this oxygen. There will be a positive charge at this position. Now इस positive charge को neutralize करने के लिए क्या होगा? Adjacent double bond जो है वो इस position पे shift होगा. मतलब ये double bond यहां से यहां पे shift हो जाएगा. देखो, तो ये positive charge neutralize हो गया. अब न्यूट्रलाइज होने से क्या होगा? इस पोजीशन पे अब पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होगा, बिकॉज इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को आपने उठा लिया, तो यहां पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होगा. तो नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? अगला जो डबल बॉन्ड है वो इस तरफ शिफ्ट होगा इसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए, और यहां पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होगा. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? द नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑन ऑक्सीजन विल कम बैक एंड द डबल बॉन्ड विल ऑल्सो गेट बैक, न्यूट्रलाइज द पॉजिटिव चार्ज एट दिस पोजिशन, and it will become a double bond like this. Now where the double bond was and how the double bond is. So this is what you call it as resonance structures. Okay, now here what you find? You find positive charge created at ortho and para positions. Got it? You are having positive charge created at ortho and para position. Now which is the attacking group? Attacking group is E plus. E plus is also positively charged. Now, if a positively charged species is attacking this molecule, then this positive and this positive, they will repel with each other. तो E plus को ये तीनों positions अपने पास आने नहीं देगा, ठीक है. पर ये ऑर्थो और पैरा पोजिशन के अलावा ये जो मेटा पोजिशन है उस पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज नहीं क्रिएट हुआ, ना इधर यहाँ पे क्रिएट हुआ ना यहाँ पे क्रिएट हुआ जो मेटा पोजिशन है. तो मेटा पोजिशन इज कंपैरेटिवली इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच बिकॉज वहां पे स्पेसिफिकली पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्रिएट नहीं हुआ. सो द E plus, the incoming electrophile, will prefer to go to meta position. It will go to meta position. Is that clear? That is why you say the presence of these groups on the benzene ring will direct the incoming electrophile towards meta position. Electron withdrawing groups are meta directing groups. Okay. Now what happens here? See, the positive charge is created at ortho para position. Hence an electrophile will be repelled at those positions. So it will preferably go to meta position. So what you will get, what is the product that you are getting? See, you are getting, if this molecule is subjected to nitration, you are getting nitro group attached to ortho and para position. How do you get nitro group? That I have shown. Okay. And if it is benzaldehyde, then the same nitro group कहाँ जाएगा? Meta position पे जाएगा. Clear? How you are getting this nitro group? Just see. Right?